Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off read receipts on WhatsApp, and this is quite easy to do. First thing you want to do is open the WhatsApp mobile application, and at the top right corner of your screen you should see these three dots here with more option. Tap on this and you will see settings. Now click on settings. This will take you to the settings page. You should see privacy. Now tap on privacy and this will bring you to your profile privacy. On this page, you're going to see read receipt, and you can see that it is turned on. If you turn it off, you won't send or receive read receipts. Read receipts are always sent for group chats. In the case of your WhatsApp status, if you turn it off, people won't know that you viewed their WhatsApp status. To turn off the read receipt, toggle off on read receipt, and with that, you have successfully turned off read receipt. So thank you guys for watching this video on how to turn off read receipts on WhatsApp, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, do make sure to subscribe to this channel and have its post notification turned on. I hope to see you guys in my next video.